Is it going when it's blinking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't even see it. What is that? What is that? Huh? You're too funny. What is that? You gonna smell him again? Goofy cat.
The cat's all trusting.
He's not normally that way. Normally he'd run away. I guess maybe because it's Quinn. Don't you bite him, he's gonna get you.
Huh?
What is that?
Huh? What do you mean he's gonna get me? I can't believe that cat's sitting there like that.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe Quint's not biting him.
He's not really a biter, he just wants to put his nose on stuff. He's like grooming him. Oh my goodness. You're such a good boy.
And he listens to you.
I know he listens to me. I'm like, what are you doing? Oh, let me look at Mom. Mom, you're in the light.
That's unbelievable.
Let me move a couple inches. Oh, you want to be groomed too, Bubbles?
With Bubbles wouldn't let that happen.
No.
I'll follow you out the door.